Hello everybody, this is Anna-Marie from Not So Many Album Templates, and I'm here to show you how to cut and fold the top loading pocket and the side pocket. On page 4 and 5 on your templates you have it. No, 5 and 6. What you do is you take it off, trace it out, or print it. For that matter, I've just printed it because I want to show you. I want to use an example. And you score it on your lines. Okay. Oh my goodness, I can't find a line. You do that with both of them, and then I'm going to show you how to adhere the two to the pockets together. Score it first. Same with the other one, your side pocket. So when I do the album, you already know how to do this. Although I do not put it together before I put my pattern paper on, but you'll have a good idea of how this works. This is your side pocket. Now this is on this side. This is your side that you attach to your album. The one I remember it with this cut out here. So this is not you're not going to put any glue on this 1/4 inch small fold here. The only place you're going to put glue is on this one, on this small piece, and on that piece. So let me adhere and see if I can fold it. Okay, so we've put double-sided tape there on this 1/4 inch piece, as well as on that side there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove my tape backing. Here, this one first there. Here's glue stick. On both sides. Bring it up, edge to edge, and put it down. So it looks like this. What I also did, I corner round this side and that side. See? And then you ink it up here, and you can put it into your album. So this is gonna go into your album like this. So for instance like that, and we're gonna remove the tie backing. Yeah, we're going to remove the tie backing, put it where, right next to your line where your previous one ended, adhere it. Do you see what I'm talking about? Okay, let me show you here. See, here is my half an inch, there's my quarter of an inch, there's my quarter of an inch. The other half an inch starts right next to where this one ends. So this is how you get your envelopes to lay flat. Okay. The top loading pocket, I'm going to do exactly the same. Glue stick, fold it, and make sure and that's it. So this one as well, I've cornered my edges. It's basically only the back side that you're doing your quarter inch on. Let me just grab that album again. See, this is where your half an inch end there, you put your next pocket up there, exactly the same way as the previous one. So yeah, ink it up, glue it, and I'm going to show you in the next video how to put your album together. Thank you again and enjoy your day. Bye bye.